because yare no ɛyɛ simple and now no it changing the game. How it was before is not how it is right now. As at this very moment, no, you are not changing the game or cut to a different level. And to say, if you nyam what you knew before, how before when you say, now no, I increase it, I times 5. And even mask and I saw crown, you have to have your protection because when a man can say, "Oh, I say mask no." Now I travel from none of it out. Now I see my catamano, but the same in and from another ever a keep going. You are Papa.
Only God can save us.
No. And also, more especially more car sorry you say, what car sorry I'm a patcho, or be a walk sorry and I can't say a mask now. No person you mask at all. Or be a me bomb pie, Miss Row, me patcho, wo bomb pie now, walk on now, Wobani now, and from Anna and
so for me, if you have was not also a yes of who's right now.
No, but me. Start talking, and I make us say, you see, one can say, me assuming your minty. Okay, Mama Chobi, Papa Chia. Now, when you say government, and Rebiara, Yammy government or the Mama citizens, Yami Ejitum, TNA, and not Brosam Jimmy, he understands the laws of the spirit and the physical. And he said, if when you say, I say, yea, na, nimpani, no, yam could say. In the laws of God, you have back whatever it is, but you must abide by the law. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse.
Okay.
Please listen very well. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. So this is some of the things that is causing a lot of problems because a lot of people have this tendency and mentality to say, oh, I didn't end to me yamishi. Share me paucho. Krum. And not say Namina Macra, Michelle Apa, Mequacra Central, minutes of Mammy. Now your committee, if you meet in the Mana Missicum, Michelle see from Cardimu, Menanti ya from Tudu, Eba all the way to maybe MTTU or main one came away all the way forward. Now Nimpa and Nam all that area Nina, nobody was basically wearing a mask, and people were just going and coming. No binam kwai now I talk we do, now I talk way. No level of protection.
At the end of Americans on the American
I mean, no, in America, we just had hey, Papa.
But also buy into Mayfield Mechiam or not.
Oh, what the hell do you
almost myself?
Yes,
Tituas.
You know, I mean, if you look at what is going on in town, I miss Ghana for and Papa, and now what you say, I see national security advisor, no. I don't know whether he heard it. One of the stations was telling me, I said he wasn't well. I don't know whether one of the regional ones, and I said the general one, and that person passed away yesterday. I don't know whether he heard it on the news. Not me, TN News and Ra. Yeah. I don't know who it is, whether one of the regional ones or but all I heard is that one of them. Yeah, and it's in Pacho and opinion. But if it is what it is, there, Papa, that is serious. Because whatever is going on, no.
Oh, Ghana, some people take it for granted.
Yeah, one of the areas I miss do baby I miss ye papa. I honor a harm and in that time and also and pennyfo be brave and pay attention to it was during the election time.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Mama ya kanu crow. Mama ya no crow enye jumo. Yeah? Now see during the election time no. A whole results are feeling about. When nipa omo yare a omo gudem a ebika wa owu a obi anim ho wia you have no idea because we are being very ignorant and we are taking liberties.
Nyame nyansem no abra yade eba Israel film osimu de mukum aboa na mumfa mumogya no enya ahyenso de e wo do enti nyame kontimi obi an bufu otimi bia asase
right.
No can nipa ba 3000
he set a mandate in place ose mumfa mogya na yede enka no na bogya scratch out the can no ade mo shed them wan kasa mu bio tie ose mo yede mo shed them
ade na abesi ebi na eto aso yi shed them ni ba bia kwa hawo mama mo na ntete se wona wonim nyansa Ephesians chapter 5 verse 15.
You know, it's
Mamon sama dajia. Ne munante se enyansafo.
It's a sad situation, you know.
Be vigilant, be sober, be wise.
No. I mean,
so dangerous time.
Yeah.
And you say, oh, take it things for granted. One year, over 2 and now that's a man.
Yeah.
ewu ya to say wu a obusuafo mpo nyaade ebe on be ben.
But, you know, and one of the things, Krasisiano, me pese Ghana for a very particular about it. But your chiga, where would you meet ye? You move a brew or wow, ya tifi. Yes, I say herbal, herbal medicine. Baby, Enco Hospital, Enco check it really. On my body now, ya media mom. They don't have any time to even go and say, and I say, yeah, me hospital and check him and say, me body be behind the AOQ be on them, be on high blood pressure on him, or be on them, or diabetes on him, or be on them, or some kind of condition, be a sad condition. No, say you're in the counter at Obeko and Tem, you have no idea, and you're just living there. Now, the moment the thing picks you up, say Kim, now or any underlying condition, you are in trouble.
Adom 106.3 na wetie mene Pastor Ben Madam Fubako ana Osofo David Sego ana Ayowa Akrufin so wa Johnny na ni nyina de ka ene se abusua kenkan Ephesians chapter 5 verse 15 and 16 Monam tete se wona wonni munyansa nemum enyansafo na monhwe madaagye yi mamo nante se wona wonni adwene nyam na mtwere yo na se nkofo bi nam ho mo nni adwene woni suban
no yeah
and se wadaagye wa no ho nkofo bi wo Ghana ha wotim se ne kasa akura je se wonni adwene
no
don't waste your time for that people now woma yo adwene se ofi hey me sometimes me hwe TV na menya opportunity drew fie ntam kakra na me se me hwe TV na hwe enkwale sukone mu abinie wo moteto otum se woni adwene na ode kasa.
A lot of people just they take
what kasa wotum se but just say Adom Ada wutie Pastor 2 minutes Pastor goes 2 minutes na yemfa concrete na nyame yadomo ya to aso.
So what we will do is by the grace of God,
what our announcement be?
I'll just Yami Adman next week I'll be coming around by the grace of God. Ebia from Pastor S.K one unyane me e be na body na bre obompa ya homa chesa tomorrow ma say na for mo
this time about to ya
wono sisi anu won say wono we jamming to wono sisi akokwa wo me no so say sometimes na me say so run in different places.
Oh yeah, me that you baby so me
I got it's here for mo fan say why na do baby na. All right, what before we come out. So, Adom Heavenly Ministry starting 40 days, 40 days of fasting and prayer. The theme is consecration and supernatural empowerment for 2021. Now, your fire reading from Romans 12, 1 and 2, and Ezekiel 36, 24 to 27. And the fasting starts here on Monday, January 18th, to amount to February, January 28th. Now, mostly every normal day in the year, on from Monday all the way to Friday in the evening to 8 p.m. on Facebook. Facebook, we call Facebook so what type of Edumfa and all the missions account Edumfa missions. We buy Edumfa missions every evening be 8 p.m. You catch me live for the worship and then the word and prayer on the Facebook platform. And your days of prayer and service. Main day, next Tuesday on a panel from an 10 o'clock to 1 p.m. That's about 2 to 3 hours. The church premise New Botiano no free Malam Junction Baba Besia Kokaswa New Botiano in the middle there. Now we do New Botiano now right on the main junction with New Botiano. We say a billboard Kasiapa Esiquine who say Dumfa Heavenly Ministry we say Anti Grace picture no was show and the other thing that's just where we are showing one it was our New Botiano Junction as well. Not every Thursday be so no Thursday a rather prayer movement and a Achimota Forest. When you say Achimota Forest, be a girls' guide no one and and we have a church hall over there. Thursday Biano from the morning and workers mobile for prayer from Thursday and 6 a.m. up to 8 no more now workers and normal service. They started from 10. They know 10 a.m. 10 a.m. no, back to back, 1 hour prayers, 4 hours straight. And every 1 hour be a break. Then other people come in. And I don't know any rather prayer movement from 10 a.m. no to 2 p.m. at Achimota Girls Guide. And we have to do baby Achimota runabout no one. Achimota runabout and baby one. Offer Achimota from Abelempe, Bano towards Achimota Forest line no so no. And as a free Tetekwashi air bar, we be frost what is be Achimota Forest inside now. We don't do that runabout. So we say a signboard no Kesiepa on the right, right there is where the church is. And to help us for your prayer service na Dumfa Accra. We are here 2 major places no New Botiano and Achimota Forest. We are there. New Botiano Tuesday, Achimota Forest Thursday Anapa. If you swap purpose for counseling you can, and you make your friend number way, and then you come and then you come to have a time with God with us. Number 0244 763 222 0244 763 222. One more time, 0244 763 222. Baby, I will be on the pay Yamin show. I know, say, Yatia won't catch a Yami from next week. I'll try and be here on point and on time. God bless you wherever you are. Pastor S.K Yamin Kosun show. Pastor S.K, God bless you. I know, say you are firing for it and we will continue to do what God wants us to do. Shalom, peace.
Hey, Papa. Or how about my near that's when you're now over me. For contact, as I said, baby, I do you're serious about it.
682064 Nyame won shira wati no mo nyina ho ba ma yei.
Amen.
Ono yere no ma wade mo nyina ho ba ma yei. Bia mo nam bia no urade nsa.
Amen.
Eto Elijah so kenyane no sansei ento no fiesu.
Medas.
Nyame shira mo.
Amen.
Semenya wana kamewu.
I also back when I didn't to me. Bishop Yahusu Anka Mediane Koso, a concerning Pibono for which will be dance my man father's house, Resurrection Power Living Bread Ministries International. Dano Ewo, dance my patron, my heart and my desire. Because on a TV from S.K Appiagyei. There is nothing I want to make us out with me. A friend is 0244 27 8545 0244 27 8545. Happy belated birthday and command. Boatima School Tani Star School Ewo Emmanuel Onyami Nimi Newo Denina there is nothing I wouldn't do just to please you, oh Papa. There is nothing I wouldn't do just to serve you, oh Papa. I will love you till I die. I will love you till I die, oh. I will love you till I die. I will love you till I die, oh Papa. Adi biara ni wa minyo, sanya beya me so weni. Adi biara ni wa minyo, sanya beya me so moda. Harriet Watima, happy belated birthday, Uncle Emma. Sonko School, Tani Star School, Bubuyashi. Mame Dana Boatin and Chaonos Yajuma GBC, Hononos Yajuma or say Radin Shroud. No promises help us say obey Dr. Dachi, a Radi Emma Musa amount. Say Radi Insha Papa. Sorry, sir.
Minya me, Seminya wana mama me.
Mamma.
Tredia poe, Samitri.
Maybe I'm making care free. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 15 down. Ken kana and antete se wona weni munyansa. Men ante basbasasa. Na hwe wadaje enso yi. Daje hu hia. Don't waste your time ko tra ba bi nkan kofo ho nsem twitwa nkofo ne ntri ni nkonkonse bi emfaso ani so. Adom Ahengua so Community for Central Assemblies of God and upon 9 to 11 near Pong. The Crown of our Shimu be what Community for El Shaddai, woman, Vince Medas. They offer me S.K Appiagyei. I'm in pen once a mass. Sorry, so. Papa.